Here is a simple recipe for spaghetti squash with arugula and hemp seed pesto. You will need a large spaghetti squash. Cut your squash vertically because the fibers grow in a spiral and you will get long spaghetti this way. Remove the seeds and bake the squash upside down at 400 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. For the pesto, in a food processor, combine juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 25 grams of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 30 grams of Parmesan cheese, and 100 grams of arugula. Pulse in a food processor to get the pesto texture. Let the cooked squash cool for 20 minutes or longer. Gently loosen the fibers with a fork, starting in the center and going in a circle. Transfer the spaghetti into a large bowl. Gently mix the pasta and the squash together. I hope you enjoy this macro-friendly, nut-free and gluten-free pesto pasta.